Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest sugar scrub ever with only 3 ingredients: organic olive oil, sugar, and body massage oil. What you will need is a large bowl, 1.5 cups of sugar, and you can use the regular measuring cup that has 1.5 cups. I just use those. 1/4 cup of the olive oil, and you will need 1 tablespoon of the massage oil. And also this will make about an 8-ounce mason jar, give or take. And you can get these ingredients anywhere. I got the massage oil at Walmart, and I chose that smell because it smells more universal. It smells like basically like soap, and it doesn't interfere with my perfumes and everything. But you can use any massage body oil. And I actually put 2 tablespoons because I like the smell of it, so I put 2, but you don't have to. You want to really make sure you're mixing your scrub because the oil can clump the sugar. So that's why I'm using my rubber spatula to really make sure I'm mixing it well. You can use this scrub for basically anything. You can use it on your hands, you can use it on your feet, you can use it on your body after you wash with your favorite soap. You can use it anywhere. I wouldn't use it on my face because I used it on my face and it kind of was too rough, but I mean, that's up to you. And also be careful when you're using this body scrub because it can make your shower or your tub very slippery because of all the oils, so be very careful. And if this amount is too small for you, all you have to do is double or triple your ingredients and find a larger container to hold it. This is a great gift idea. I had made these for some of the people that are in our lives to say thank you for supporting my girls for with their competition team. So this was a great gift idea. And I've got so many people just telling me that they love this sugar scrub, but it wasn't enough. So that's why I was saying that if you want to double the amount, you just double or triple your ingredients. Now I'm gonna have my daughter wash her hands with it. So this is before. And when you use the sugar scrub, you don't have to use a large amount. You just take a decent amount and just start exfoliating your hands with it, because it's an exfoliant, it's not a soap. And then you just rinse it off, and it's gonna leave your hands just moisturized and everything. My daughters always tell me they're so happy with it because they don't have to put lotion on after. That's how much moisture comes out of this sugar scrub, and it's not oily either. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope this was easy for you because it was easy for me, and hopefully you will enjoy this sugar scrub just as much as I do.